Welcome to our language learning series. Today, we're learning German about German numbers. Let's begin.
Null,
Repeat after me.
null, null,
In English, 0. In Telugu.
Sunna,
Next word.
eins,
Repeat after me.
eins, eins,
In English, 1. In Telugu.
ఒకటి,
Next word.
zwei,
Repeat after me.
zwei, zwei,
In English, 2. In Telugu.
రెండు,
Wonderful. Next word.
drei,
Repeat after me.
drei, drei,
In English, 3. In Telugu.
మూడు,
Next word.
vier,
Repeat after me.
vier, vier,
In English, 4. In Telugu.
నాలుగు,
Next word.
fünf,
Repeat after me.
fünf, fünf,
In English, 5. In Telugu.
ఐదు,
You are doing great. Next word.
sechs,
Repeat after me.
sechs, sechs,
In English, 6. In Telugu.
ఆరు,
Next word.
sieben,
Repeat after me.
sieben, sieben,
In English, 7. In Telugu.
ఏడు,
Next word.
acht,
Repeat after me.
acht, acht,
In English, 8. In Telugu.
ఎనిమిది,
Keep it up. Next word.
neun,
Repeat after me.
neun, neun,
In English, 9. In Telugu.
తొమ్మిది,
Next word.
zehn,
Repeat after me.
zehn, zehn,
In English, 10. In Telugu.
పది,
Next word.
elf,
Repeat after me.
elf, elf,
In English, 11. In Telugu.
పదకొండు,
Excellent. Next word.
12,
Repeat after me.
12, 12,
In English, 12. In Telugu.
పన్నెండు,
Next word.
13,
Repeat after me.
13, 13,
In English, 13. In Telugu.
పదమూడు,
Next word.
14,
Repeat after me.
14, 14,
In English, 14. In Telugu.
పద్నాలుగు,
Fantastic work. Next word.
15,
Repeat after me.
15, 15,
In English, 15. In Telugu.
పదిహేను,
Next word.
16,
Repeat after me.
16, 16,
In English, 16. In Telugu.
పదహారు,
Next word.
17,
Repeat after me.
17, 17,
In English, 17. In Telugu.
పదిహేడు,
Amazing effort. Next word.
18,
Repeat after me.
18, 18,
In English, 18. In Telugu.
పద్దెనిమిది,
Next word.
19,
Repeat after me.
19, 19,
In English, 19. In Telugu.
పంతొమ్మిది,
Next word.
20,
Repeat after me.
20, 20,
In English. 20. In Telugu.
20.
Great, now let's recap what we've learned.
0.
In English. 0. In Telugu.
0.
Next word.
1.
In English. 1. In Telugu.
1.
Next word.
2.
In English. 2. In Telugu.
2.
Next word.
3.
In English. 3. In Telugu.
3.
Next word.
4.
In English. 4. In Telugu.
4.
Next word.
5.
In English. 5. In Telugu.
5.
Next word.
6.
In English. 6. In Telugu.
6.
Next word.
7.
In English. 7. In Telugu.
7.
Next word.
8.
In English. 8. In Telugu.
8.
Next word.
9.
In English. 9. In Telugu.
9.
Next word.
10.
In English. 10. In Telugu.
10.
Next word.
11.
In English. 11. In Telugu.
11.
Next word.
12.
In English. 12. In Telugu.
12.
Next word.
13.
In English. 13. In Telugu.
13.
Next word.
14.
In English. 14. In Telugu.
14.
Next word.
15.
In English. 15. In Telugu.
15.
Next word.
16.
In English. 16. In Telugu.
16.
Next word.
17.
In English. 17. In Telugu.
17.
Next word.
18.
In English. 18. In Telugu.
18.
Next word.
19.
In English. 19. In Telugu.
19.
Next word.
20.
In English. 20. In Telugu.
20.
Congratulations on completing the lesson. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe. For a free PDF of this lesson, please comment below. Please comment which language you want and which word you like. Thank you.